Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Google Pixel 5 phone. We start by turning off the phone. We never clean the phone while it is turned on, so we select power off. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt, allowing it to come out, and then evaporates without leaving any trace. So once we have everything prepared, we can begin. You can buy this diffuser and this brush in a set on Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, because if they are hard, they will scratch your phone. So we set the phone to the side so it's easier for us to hold it while cleaning. We spray the brush thoroughly with alcohol. We hold it with 2 fingers. The speaker is positioned right here, specifically at the critical junction where the frame meets the glass, and that is the exact part we are focusing on cleaning. We move the brush back and forth, repeating this motion 5 to 10 times in one direction, and then we carefully do the same thing in the other direction. Just remember to repeat that process 5 to 10 times to ensure it is thoroughly clean. Then we repeat this motion again in the first direction 5 to 10 times, and then once more in the other direction 5 to 10 times. It is best to repeat this 2 or 3 times in each direction so that the speaker is thoroughly cleaned. Then you have a perfectly cleaned speaker that will work for you like new. After the operation, we put the brush away. Leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That is all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions, and see you in my next video.